Hello, this is part 2 of Powered Exoskeletons for Assistance and Rehabilitation. My name is Dawsonaya Carroll and my colleague is Luke Madgett. And in this presentation, we will be going over some examples of exoskeletons and what classifications from part 1 they fall under. We are going to discuss application, body segments, portability, anchoring points, and passive versus active joints. When you see the devices, pause the video and try to guess which classifications they fall under. Our first example is the carry suit. The carry suit is used to help carry heavy things. The function is useful in the work world, so the application it falls under is industrial. To help with these heavy loads, it reduces pressure on the hands, arms, shoulders, and back. As these body parts suggest, it is an upper body focused exoskeleton. It is portable because it can be brought to wherever it is needed. The anchoring points of the exoskeleton are on the wearer's body, so it's classified by an internal force. The last classification we're going to discuss is whether it is passive, active, or semi-active. The suit is passive because it uses no motors in its function. Now we are looking at the exoboot. The exoboot is an ankle-only exoskeleton. It is used to assist in walking and increase endurance while decreasing energy expenditure. The application of the DeFi exoboot is for military usage. And as it is ankle-only, the body segment classification is lower body. More specifically, lower leg. This is a portable device with no fixed location. The anchoring point is on the wearer's body, so it is classified by an internal force. Lastly, this device is active because its function is motor-based. Here is the Exomotus. The Exomotus is an exoskeleton to help with safe walking and retraining. For these reasons, the Exomotus has medical applications. In the medical field, it falls under both a mobility aid and a rehabilitation device. As its focus is walking, it is a lower body device. It has no fixed location, so we can safely classify this as a portable device. Unlike the majority of portable devices, this exoskeleton is classified by an external force due to the foot plates that directly transfer the weight to the ground. It is also an active device because of the major use of motors to power the joints. This is the Walkbot. It is a gait rehabilitation exoskeleton. Because of this, it is for medical uses, specifically as training or rehabilitation. The body segment it focuses on is the lower body. As you could probably tell from the photograph, this exoskeleton has a fixed frame. And as with most fixed exoskeletons, it has an external anchoring point. It is also classified as an active device because of the motor-controlled joints. Our last example we will be examining is the Ski Mojo. The Ski Mojo is a shock-absorbing device used for skiing. It relieves pressure from the knees. This exoskeleton, unlike the others we looked at, is a consumer-level device. It is used to relieve pressure from the knees while skiing, so this is a lower body specific item. It is portable with no fixed frame and has anchoring points on the wearer. This means that it is controlled by internal forces. The device has passive joints because it has no motors and uses a spring dampening system to absorb the pressure on the knees. Thank you for listening. To learn more, visit www.wrslab.com. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or my colleague with our emails below. Thank you.